grabs. To be up for grabs means to become available to others. This idiom is used when someone is highly desirable to other people. Examples can be when one of the full-time contract instructors stepped down, her nice office overlooking the river was up for grabs. Did you know the Senator Stone is retiring and that her Senate seat is up for grabs? Poor. Next. To show off means to display one's ability in order to attract attention, to let others see, to expose to public view. This idiom can form the noun show off for the first definition. Elizabeth is an excellent swimmer, but I don't like the way she shows off in front of everyone. It's very obvious that she enjoys being a show off. Mary showed her large wedding ring off to all her friends. To learn the ropes. To learn the ropes. To become familiar with routine procedures at work or school. To become familiar with routine procedures at work or school. The job applicant didn't have much previous experience or knowledge, but she seemed intelligent enough to learn the ropes quickly. It took the new school teacher a year to learn the ropes regarding administrative and curricular matters. Another, to keep one's fingers crossed. To hope to have good results, to hope that nothing bad will happen. This idiom reflects the way people cross their fingers to hope for good luck. Let's keep our fingers crossed that we got passing grades on that college entrance exam.